Now you see the example number 7. And whatever example number 1 to 7 are there, you solve. If you are having problem with them, you call me and clear your doubt. Okay. Today I will explain problem number 7. In this problem number 7, Miss Vijaya, an engineer under self-employment scheme, purchased a computer. She purchased a computer. Okay. So computer is the asset. Computer is the asset. Vijaya is a purchaser. Miss Vijaya is a purchaser from electronics. From electronics means electronic is the seller. Okay. On higher purchase system on 1188. 1188 is the date of purchase and paid 18,000 on signing the agreement. On signing the agreement means cash down. 18,000 is the cash down. Please mute your audio video. Please mute your audio video. Remember, I am recording each and every aspect. Your voice is recording, your mobile number is recording, everything is recording. Okay. So please don't disturb in the middle. And soon after joining the class, you mute your audio and video. Okay, 18,000 is on signing the agreement. It is cash down. And thereafter, the balance in 3 equal installment. You have to pay 3 installments with interest. With interest. Okay. Out of total cash price, 18,000 is paid on signing the agreement. Agreement ದಿವಸ ನೀವು 18,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. 18,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿತೈತಿ ಉಳಿದದ್ದನ್ನ 3 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ. 3 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Along with interest at 10%. Rate of interest is 10%. So in this paragraph, you come to know who is the purchaser, who is the seller, and what is the asset purchased, date of agreement, then cash down, then how many installments, rate of interest. These are the points you covered in this paragraph. You covered from this paragraph. Okay. Then come to the second paragraph. The third year last installment was 26,400. The last installment amount is given for you. 26,400 including interest. This 26,400. 26,400 is the last installment. That installment is including interest. That installment is included interest. Okay. And rate of depreciation was 20%. Rate of depreciation 20%. Okay. Then they asked to calculate cash price, ascertain cash price of the computer and prepare computer account and electronics account. Only 2 accounts they asked to prepare, but here I prepare all the accounts in the books of purchaser. In the books of purchaser, I'll prepare all the accounts. Okay. Come on, tell me, cash price is given in the problem or not? Cash price is given in the problem or not? Anyone tell me? Don't waste the time.
No, sir.
Then rate of interest? Rate of interest 10% is there. All installments are given in the problem. All installment last year installment is given in the problem. Then which method will you apply for calculation of interest? First method, second method, third method, or fourth method. There are four methods of interest calculation. There are four methods of interest calculation. For this problem, which method will you apply for calculating interest, depreciation, etc.?
Fourth method.
Fourth method. Okay. Fourth method you have to apply. Any doubt? Fourth method you apply and calculate the depreciation. Okay. Now you see the problem. Table showing interest and installment. Okay. First column date, second column installment, third is interest, fourth is principal, fifth is depreciation. These are the columns. Date of agreement is 1/1/88. I don't know, on that date 18,000 paid. 18,000 is cash down. It is considered as one installment. Even one installment in the Tilkur. It is one installment. And this installment is not included interest. Idra interest irudulla. So installment minus interest is equal to principal. So total whatever paid, that is principal. Or principal and the okay. This is the clear one. And there are three installments. Three installments are paid at the end of each year. 31st 12/88 first year end, first installment. 31st 12/89 second year end, second installment. 31st 12/90 third year end, third installment you have to pay. But installment amounts are not given. Only last installment is given. What is the last installment? Last installment is 26,400. On the basis of this, you have to proceed. ಏನು 26,400 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಈ ಆಧಾರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. So on this you calculate interest in the working note. So interest on last installment is equal to 26,400 into 10 divided by 110 because it is interest included. ಸರಿಯಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಾಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ 10 divided by 100 plus ರೇಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತ 110 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊತ ಬರ್ರಿ. So interest is 2,400. Okay, 2,400. Then what is the principal in this installment? What is the principal in the last installment? Principal is equal to installment minus interest. So principal is equal to 26,400 minus 2,400 is equal to 24,000. Okay. Installment, one installment is clear. Principal is clear. Okay. So after paying 18,000, whatever balance of cash price is there, whatever balance of cash price is there, that is made equal 3 installment. 3 installment means 24,000. Remember this. 24,000 is the installment based on cash price. So you write 24,000 in the principal column. Last installment 24,000. Then all the 3 installments are 24,000. This is a principal based problem. Principal based problem. Okay, principal column is completed. Then you complete the interest column from reverse order. Reverse order you complete. 24,000 into 10 divided by 100 is equal to 2,400. So interest plus principal is equal to installment. Interest plus principal is equal to installment. Then what is the principal for this second? Come on, tell me anyone. What is the interest for, principal for calculating interest for 1989?
48,000.
48,000, very good. 48,000 into 10 divided by 100, 4,800. Then what is installment? Installment column amount for this? Installment is equal to
28,800.
very good 28,800. Then what is the principle for calculating interest for the year 1988?
72,000.
72,000. Okay. 72,000. 72,000 into 10 by 100 is equal to 7,200. Okay. Then what is the installment? Installment amount?
31,200.
31,200. Good. Okay. Then you tell me what is the difference between second method and this fourth method? Okay. Okay. Very good. Now I am asking what is the difference between the second method of calculating the interest and fourth method, this method. Difference you tell me. This is same as second method. Okay. What is the difference between this second method and this? In the second method, we take 10 divided by 110 for all the interest calculation. Okay. And they give you all the installments. Remember this. In the second method, installments are there. And installment minus interest is equal to principal. We calculate. But here, principal plus interest is equal to installment. This is the difference. Second method is based on interest included in the installment. This is based on principal method. Here we calculate interest on principal method, and in the second method we calculate interest on installment method. Installment. This is the difference. Okay. Then you take the total. First column total is 1,04,400. Installment means higher purchase price. Interest is 14,400. Then cash price is 90,000. The total of principal is called as cash price. Repeatedly I am telling. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay. Next we calculate depreciation. 1188. 1188 is the opening date, no depreciation. Depreciation you calculate at the end of every year. Depreciation na ವರ್ಷದ ಕೊನೆ ತಾರೀಕು ಎಲ್ಲೈತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟ calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Depreciation is to be calculated at the end of every year. 88 end 90,000 is the cash price. 90,000 is the cash price. You take into depreciation, it is 20% diminishing balance method. The detail is not recorded. Remember, it is diminishing balance method. Okay, 90,000 into 2,500 is equal to 18,000. Then what is the principal for the second year? What is the balance of second year?
72,000.
72,000 into 2,500. Then what is the balance for third year? What is the balance for third year?
57,000.
57,600. Then what is the next balance? $46,080. Okay, you remember this, and you have to prepare the accounts. First year this is the first year information. On the basis of this you have to take. This is the second year information. Okay. First is asset account. In the asset account, these two, 18,000 and 24,000 comes on debit side as seller name. Credit side, 18,000 depreciation, first year. Second year, debit side, 24,000. Credit side, 14,400. Third year, debit side, 24,000. Credit side, 11,520. Asset account complete. And come to the seller account. In the seller account, debit side two amount, 18,000 and you see this 18,000 and 31,200. Debit side two bank. Credit side buy interest 7,200. Buy asset 18,000. Buy asset 24,000. Okay. First year complete. In this way you have to enter. So in the seller account, debit side to bank and take installment column. Credit side buy interest column. Buy asset principal column. This is already I told to you people regarding seller account. And interest account, interest column amount you take. Debit side you write seller name, credit side by P&L. And depreciation, you take depreciation column, amount both side. Debit side asset account, credit side P&L account. This is very simple. You remember this technique for preparation of accounts. Okay. You see this. Ledger accounts in the books of Miss Vijaya. Miss Vijaya is a purchaser. First is computer account. Asset is computer. Computer account you prepare. Particular date amount. Debit side seller name. Seller is electronics. Electronics Limited 18,000 first amount. Buy depreciation year end 18,000. Year end to electronics 24,000. Buy balance carried down. Total is 42,000. Okay. Debit side you write the principal column amount. Write the name of seller. Credit side by depreciation. First year completed. Take the balance to the second year. 1189, two balance brought down 24,000. Okay, 24,000. Then second year principal is 24,000. Second year principal is also 24,000. By depreciation, second year 14,400. Close the account, calculate balance. By balance carried down 33,600. Total 48,000. Second year complete. Take the balance to the third year. Two balance brought down. 33,600. Two electronics, last principal 24,000. Year end 31st, not it is 13. $31st was depreciation. Balance you calculate last year is 33,000. Then electronics 24,000 is principal. Last year depreciation 15,520. Then close the account, assert in the balance. Balance is 46,080. Remember this point. This 46,080 is the balance. This balance must be same as in the table. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಡ್ರಿ 46,080 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಇದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ದಾಗೂ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೇಬಲ್ ದಾಗ ಎಟ್ಟೈತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. This is the first account. Come to the second account, Electronics Limited. Okay. Electronic Limited ದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Anyone tell me what is the debit side particular amount, what is the credit side particular and amount? Tell me anyone.
Debit side to bank account installment.
Good, very good. Next.
Credit principal amount and interest amount.
Then particular column.
Asset account and interest account.
Very good. What is your name?
Shilpa Chikkode.
Okay, very good. Keep it up. First year bank 18,000 first installment column. Then same date by computer 18,000. 31st 12/88. Two bank 31,200. Credit side by computer 24,000. By by interest. What is interest? 7,200. Clear? First year complete. Any doubt? First year complete. Take the total. 49,200. Second year, same way. Second year installment. Only one installment is there. 28,800. Credit side principal and interest. By computer 24,000. By interest 4,800. Clear? Total 28,800. Third year same. Two bank 26,400. By computer 24,000. By interest 2,400. Clear? Account is clear. Total 26,400. Next, interest account. In the interest account, debit side what to write, credit side what will you write? Debit side in below, credit side in below.
To hire vendor account.
To hire vendor ಯಾರದಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Electronics.
Electronics. Credit side in ಬರ್ತೀರಿ?
By PL account.
amount column ಯಾವ ತರ ಅವರು?
Interest amount.
Interest. Very good. I complete it. Is it same? ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಐತಿ? ಅದ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಟ ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಡು. Debit side Electronic Limited, credit side P&L account. Clear? Then come to depreciation account. In the depreciation account, what will you write?
Asset account debit.
Asset account debit. Credit
P&L account.
by P&L. Amount
Depreciation amount.
depreciation amount. Okay? You see here.
Yeah.
Two computer 18,000 by P&L 18,000. First year complete. Second year, two computer 14,400 by P&L 14,400. Second year complete. Third year, two computer 15,520 by P&L 11,520. What? It seems clear. All accounts I prepared. Come to the next problem. This is the next problem. Ninth problem. Eighth problem you solve. Seventh problem I solved. You solve eighth problem. Okay. Now I am going to ninth problem. In the ninth problem, you read the problem. You read the problem. Mr. Rakesh purchased a truck. Purchased a truck on hire purchase 1188. from Tata Limited. Who is the seller? Who is the purchaser?
Mr. Rakesh is the purchaser and Tata Limited is the seller.
Good. He paid 48,000 on signing the agreement. What is this 48,000?
Cash down.
Cash down.
Cash down.
Cash down. Very good. 48,000 on signing the agreement. 50,600 at the end of first year. First year end 50,600. 61,000 at the end of second year. And 66,000 at the end of third year. What is the total payment made? First signing the agreement 48,000, first year end amount, second year end amount, third year end amount. That is the total payment made. What is the rate of interest?
10%.
10%. Okay. Per annum on cash price of the truck included in the installment. One clue is given for you people. Interest is included in the installment. Mr. Rakesh charges depreciation 10% under diminishing balance method. What is the rate of depreciation?
10%.
10%.
10%.
Then what is the cash price in the problem? Is there cash price given in the problem?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Then which method will you apply? Which method of interest will you apply? First, second, third, fourth. Okay. Which method is applicable here? First method, second method, or third method? Huh?
Second method.
Second method. Okay, I will prepare the table. Table showing interest on installment and depreciation. Okay. First agreement date is 1/1/1988. On that date, you paid 48,000. Okay. What is the first year end? First year end, he paid 61,000. What is the date of first year end? Date is not given in the problem, so you have to write the date. First year, 88. Okay. 31st 12/88. You have to pay 50,600. Second year end 89. You pay 61,000. Okay. Third year end 66,000. Okay. Then how to calculate interest? How to calculate interest? Tell me the equation. Hurry up, hurry up. Only 4 minutes, 5 minute time is there. Yes. How to calculate interest?
Last year installment.
You tell me the equation. You tell me the equation. How you calculate?
Installment into percentage.
Installment into
Percentage.
what is the percentage?
10 divided by 110.
10 divided by 110. That is important.
110.
10 divided by 110 is important. Okay. So 66,000. 66,000 into 10 divided by 110. 6,000 interest. Then principal is
60,000.
60,000. Reverse. Okay. Then what is the principal for second year?
We should be add.
Add. Tell me amount.
72,000.
70.
2,000.
1,26,000.
1,21,000.
Come on, tell me. 1,21,000, 1,20,000, 66,000, 76,000, as you like.
No, 1,21,000.
Nakki,
Yes. Nakki sir.
Final.
doubt illa, you know.
21,000.
Illa sir. 1,21,000.
Yeah, ಜೋರ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳುವಂಗ.
1,21,000.
ಇನ್ನ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರೋ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ 1,21,000 ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಯಾರು 1,21,000 अंदवर मी काय पनिशमेंट देत नाही.
ನಾವ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀವಿ.
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ. 1,21,000 into 10 divided by 110. Interest is 11,000. Then what is principal?
$50,000.
50,000.
Next principal, tell me. What is principal for 1988?
1,06,000.
1,00,000.
60,600.
1,06,000.
16,600.
1,06,000. 1,06,000 or any other answer?
1,06,000.
1,06,000. 600.
1,06,000. ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೇನು, ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಿದಿರಿ?
1,06,000.
1,06,000. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
1,60,000.
16,600.
1,60,000.
1,60,600.
ಮತ್ ಇನ್ಕತಕ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಈಗ ಹಟ್ಟು. ಪೈಲ ಹೇಳಿದವ್ರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಏನವ್ರ ಬೇರೆ? 1,06,000 ಹೇಳಿದವ್ರ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ?
No.
Different, then you remember, carefully remember, you have to take the total of all principal. Remember that, not only one. 60,000 plus 50,000 plus 50,600. You have to add three amounts. 1,60,600. Okay, any doubt? Then principal. Clear? 36,000 is principal. And don't calculate interest for first year cash down. Don't calculate interest. Okay, you take the total.